Hi. Today we will discuss the topic differentiation. So differentiation very tough for everyone, right? Why? Why? Because the only thing because the students are not practicing the questions. This is the only one reason they are not sure about the problems of differentiation. So what you have to do is take notes along with pen, write down what I am showing in this video. Everything, every formula, everything. That means you are done one time. And after that, what you have to do is next practice one more time. Practice one more time. Daily learn the formulas to get good marks from this topic. And just in this video, I am showing you very, very important questions. Not every question, very important questions we are going to deal in this video. The first one. So here differentiation is denoted with d by dx. Okay. So write down like this, d by dx of any constant. Constant means there is no change, so derivative is 0. Next, d by dx of x, it is 1. Next, third formula, d by dx of, you have to write all these formulas one time. X square is 2x. Next, d by dx of x cube is 3x square. Okay. So d by dx of x power 4 is 4x cube. D by dx of x power 5 is 5 into x power 4. Did you observe anything? Any pattern? Here, the variable in this variable is x. And the power, and observe the base and power. Base is a variable, power is a number. Okay, somewhere it is called exponent also. Sometimes it is called index. Sometimes it is called power. Okay, so base is variable and power is a number. In that kind of situations, the power become quotient and we will decrease 1 unit from the previous power, 1 unit. So for example, x power 5. In x power 5, you see that result is 5 into x power 4. That means 5 become quotient and we decrease 1 unit from that 5, it will be 4. Okay. In the same way, and these results we learned up to x power 6 only, not more than that needed. So 6 into x power 5. Okay. So in general means I am generalizing this formula with x power n. Okay. So x power n derivative is n into x power n minus 1. So n become quotient and the power 1 unit it was decreased. Okay. In the same way, you can also learn that formula number 9. If it is root x means x power 1 by 2. Okay. So the result, just learn it. Okay. 2 root x. I used the same formula n into x power n minus 1, where n is 1 by 2 in this case. Okay. So 1 by 2, x power 1 by 2 minus 1, minus 1 by 2. 1 by 2 means root x, minus 1 by 2 means 1 by root x. So the result is 1 by 2 root x. Okay. So 10th result, d by dx of 1 by root x. So 1 by root x, 1 by root x derivative is minus 1 by 2x root x. Remember, minus 1 by 2x root x. 1 by root x derivative minus 1 by 2x root x. Okay. Root x derivative 1 by 2 root x. Fine. Next. D by dx of log x. Log x here, remember, it is not a general log x. It is base e log x. Okay. Log x base c, or log x you can call it simply. Log x derivative is 1 by x. So d by dx of 1 by x derivative is what? 1 by x derivative is minus 1 by x square. Okay. Next, d by dx of 1 by x square is minus 2 by x cube. Here also, you can observe the similarities or some pattern you have to observe here also. So, 1 by x cube derivative is minus 3 by x power 4. What is 1 by x derivative? Minus 1 by x square. 1 by x square derivative minus 2 by x cube. 1 by x cube derivative minus 3 by x power 4. Now, guess what? 1 by x power 5 derivative. X power 4 derivative. Guess this result? Yes, correct. Minus 4 by x power 5. Similarly, we are going to up to 1 by x power 6 only, okay? Not more than that needed. Because all these results we are using in the problems, okay? So I am not just saying one result and assume that it is n and so on. I am giving direct results, okay? So 1 by x power 5, guess this result also, minus 5 by x power 6. And d by dx of 1 by x power 6 is minus 6 by x power 7. Here up to these results, base is variable, that is what x. Power is number. It's a constant number, some numbers. Okay. So these are the all algebraic results. And then we have to move 18th result, d by dx of e power x, e power x, d by dx of a power x into log a. Okay. Next, most important results, addition rule, subtraction rule, u plus v, for example, say u plus v. U plus v means you can write du by dx plus dv by dx, where u and v are some functions. Okay. Subtraction rule. Similarly, you can also define subtraction. So that's why I replace it plus with plus or minus. Either it is plus, use plus between them. If it is minus, use minus between them. Okay. Next, 13th, d by dx of u into v. So it is also called multiplication rule on differentiation. It is generally well noted of this result, uv dash plus vu dash. This is also known as u into dv by dx plus v into du by dx. Okay, next 14th result, d by dx of u by v, okay, fractional rule. Vu dash minus uv dash by v square. Uv dash minus vu dash minus uv dash by v square. Okay, not 14 result. This is 21. This is 22. Okay. Next 23. Sometimes we will use the direct results like ax plus b by cx plus d. Ax plus b by cx plus d. AD minus bc by cx plus d whole square. AD minus bc by cx plus d whole square. Okay. And not only this, we have some more results, and every time I will give you while solving the problem beside that solution. What you have to do is you have to note all the formulas in a separate page, for example, the first page, or make your own page that will contain as a formulas from this topic. That will be very much useful for your reference, or before you going to examination also you can refer all those results at the same page. So look at the first question, what it says. Y is equal to a into e power 5x. Y is equal to a into e power 5x plus b into e power minus 5x. Then find d square y by dx square. That means he is asking about the second derivative. Okay. So first what we have to do? It is a multiple choice question. So we will do direct operations on this. Okay. So you know that the derivative is d by dx of e power x, right? So y1 means nothing but dy by dx is equal to a into, here I am mentioning the formulas for you. The first formula, e power x. E power x, we already talked about this. E power x derivative is e power x. Even in case e power ax, what is the derivative of that? A into e power ax. What is the derivative of e power ax? A into e power ax. Fine. So using that rule, the derivative of this e power 5x is 5 into e power 5x. Okay. After that, plus b into e power minus 5x derivative is also minus 5 into minus 5 into e power minus 5x. Understood? Again, I am doing y2. Y2 means what? Second derivative. D square y by dx square. This y1 and y2 are notations. Okay. Don't, don't scared about this. These are just notations. It's a second derivative. That means again you are doing one more derivative of the existed function. You already done one derivative, first time derivative. Again you have to do the one more derivative of the first derivative. That is what called second derivative. It is denoted by y2 or d square y by dx square. So again we will use the same result. Okay, 5a is a multiple. E power 5x derivative is what? 5 into e power 5x minus 5b into again e power minus 5x derivative minus 5 into e power minus 5x. Okay, therefore y2 is equal to, again one more question is ready for us. So just finalize this. 5 5s are how much? 25. 25a into e power 5x minus into minus plus, because these things are in multiplication. So it will be minus plus 25 into b into e power minus 5x. Understood? So therefore 25 is a common multiple. So a into e power 5x plus b into e power minus 5x. So simply you can write this thing as y, because this is all y, right? So this is the answer, 24y. So which option is correct? 25y. Option A is correct. Got it? Next question. So derivative of this value. Okay. So let us consider y is equal to root of x square plus 1 plus x square minus 1. All these questions are already asked so many times in your previous years. These are all PYQs, okay? Divided by root of x square plus 1 minus root of x square minus 1. So what to do? Actually, this is very easiest question. All you need to do is first in entire mathematics, the denominator, there is a rule. The denominator should not have the square root. That means if it has, that means you have to do rationalization to remove the square root from the denominator. That is the mathematical rule. Okay, we are going to perform the rationalizing procedure. So maybe I hope you know that how to do the rationalization procedure. So this is x square plus 1 and plus root of x square minus 1. Same things you have to consider. All you need to change the middle sign. Here minus is there. Look at this minus. I am changing this as a plus. That's it. And you have to keep the same term in the numerator. Write down same to same in the looking like the denominator. Okay. Write the same things. Fine. So by observing these two denominators, they are look like a minus b here, and this is a plus b, and both are multiplied together. What is that value? A square minus b square. So a square x square plus 1 whole square minus b square x square minus 1 whole square. Okay. Look at the numerator. Both these two things are looking like same. So you can write whole square root of x square plus 1 plus root of x square minus 1 whole square, right? Later we will use a plus b whole square, fine? So y equal to, the numerator become a plus b whole square. What is a plus b whole square? You should apply to the numerator. A plus b whole square is what? A square plus 2ab plus b square. A square means without root. Okay? Square and root got cancelled. Plus b square means without root. 2ab means 2 root. You have to keep these two things under root. X square plus 1 into x square minus 1. Okay, understood? And here also square and square root got cancelled. Square and square root got cancelled. Okay, x square plus 1 in the first bracket. X square minus 1 in the second bracket. If you move this minus, multiply with this minus, you will get minus x square plus x square got cancelled. And here also look at here, plus 1 minus 1 got cancelled. Now y is equal to 2x square plus 2 times of root. What this thing? X square plus 1 into x square minus 1. X power 4 minus 1. Why? Why? Because it was again looking like a plus b into a minus b. A square minus b square. So 1 plus 1 is how much? 2. So now you can cancel this 2 here with this 2. So what left? X square root of x square minus 1. Now easily we will do now derivative. So y's derivative dy by dx, x square derivative 2x plus root x derivative. What is derivative of root x? Root x derivative is, this is all formula. Root x derivative is 1 by 2 root x. Okay. So 1 by 2 root, x power 4 minus 1. And what is derivative of x power 4 minus 1? Why we are doing it again? Because it is not just x. It is x power 4 minus 1. That's why we have to consider its derivative, x power 4 minus 1's derivative again with a multiplication. Okay? Remember this point. Every time we are using that. So 2x plus 1 by 2 root x power 4 minus 1. X power 4 derivative is what? 4x cubed. Minus 1, it's a constant, derivative is 0. So 2 got cancelled in 4 2 times. So 2x plus 2x cubed by x power 4 minus 1 is the answer of this question. We have to check which option is correct. Actually, it was looking like a 4 marks question or 5 marks question, but Here we will get only 1 mark. So what is the answer? Let me check. Plus is there, right, between them. So option C is correct. Okay. Next. So write down solution. So derivative of, let us consider take y, it is a power 2x plus 2. This is very easiest question. So y derivative is dy by dx. Okay. So here you have to write, you know what is a power m plus n? A power m into a power n, right? Similarly, you can write a power 2x into a square. A power 2x into a square. Understood? Fine. A square is a constant. Like you have to treat this as a quotient. And now you have to learn one more formula, d by dx of a power x. A power x derivative, a power x into log a. Even in case if it was a power bx, then what is the derivative of that? The derivative is very easy. B into a power bx into log a. This is the derivative. B into a power bx log a. Fine. So similarly, so we will write first a square because it's a constant quotient. Okay. A power 2x derivative 2 into a power 2x into like a power bx. Here what is b? 2. Okay. So 2 into a power 2x into log a. This is the answer. Where is it? Identify. Okay, 1 minute. So 2 into, you can merge these two things because the bases are same. You can use this formula again. Okay, so a power, you can write 2x plus 2. You already wrote this 2 here. And these two are using this a power m plus n. I wrote the same and log a. Now check for the answer. Where is it? 2 into a power x into log a. Option B is correct. Okay, the next question is very, very easiest question. So take y is equal to root x plus 1 by root x, and then he is asking that 2x into dy by dx plus y is equal to how much? Okay. So directly we will do derivative. So y's derivative is dy by dx. Root x derivative is 1 by 2 root x. You learn from the formulas. And 1 by root x derivative is minus 1 by 2x root x. Okay. Minus 1 by 2x root x. Okay. What you can take first, do it LCM. The LCM is 2 root x or 2x. Take 2x is better than that. But take 2x root x also. 2x root x, fine. 2x root x is LCM. Then here you will get x minus here 1. This thing, all thing is dy by dx. Okay, got it. Now we will move this 2 and we will move this x also to the right side. So therefore 2x into dy by dx is equal to x minus 1 by root x. That is that x minus 1 by root x. Now we will separate now. Okay. So x by root x minus 1 by root x. X by root x minus 1 by root x. Fine. So therefore, this will be equal to x got cancelled in x how many times? Root x times. Root x minus 1 by root x. Root x minus 1 by root x. Fine. So what is the question? 2x into dy by dx plus y. Okay, we will add y on both sides. Okay, so 2x into dy by dx plus y. And here in the right side also we will add y minus 1 by root x plus y. Actually, y means what? Root x minus 1 by root x. Y means root x plus 1 by root x, right? Yes or no? So 1 by root x minus 1 by root x plus 1 by root x got cancelled. So the result is 2 root x. So this will be the answer. Okay. So 2 root x is the answer. So fourth option is correct. Understood? And look at the next question. Solution. What he said, let us suppose take this one as y. So y is equal to 3x square minus 9x plus 5 whole power 9. So y derivative is dy by dx. Okay. It was looking like base is variable, power is number. So you can use the rule, x power n rule. So d by dx of x power n is n into x power n minus 1. Similarly, 9 into 3x square minus 9x plus 5 whole power 8. And this is not as like x. So we have to differentiate this 3x square minus 9x plus 5. So 9 of 3x square minus 9x plus 5 whole power 8 multiplied by, what is the derivative of 3x square? 3 into x square derivative 2x minus 9 into x derivative 1, constant derivative 0. Okay. So 9 of 3x square minus 9x plus 5 whole power 8 into 3 2s are 6x minus 9. Here also you can take 3 as a common factor. Okay. So 9 3s are 27 now. So 3x square minus 9x plus 5 whole power 8. 3 was already taken from here. So 2x minus 3. Now check for the answer which option is correct. Maybe first option. Look at the first option. 27, 27. 3x square 9x5, 3x square 9x5 whole power 8, whole power 8. And 2x minus 3, 2x minus 3. So same to same. So option A is correct. This discussion is continuous. We will meet again on the next video. Bye-bye.